Hey guys, you've been doing a great job learning about the content and the concept of sonnets, Petrarchan and Shakespearean, but I feel like I need to focus a little bit on form. In the Nearpod you did Monday and Tuesday, I referenced these ideas, but let's emphasize them a little. A sonnet has certain requirements in terms of form. One is that it has 14 lines. It always has 14 lines. You may see a difference here and there in rhythm and rhyme and lines when it comes to a translation, but what makes a sonnet is that it has 14 lines. Two, it has 10 syllables in each line. And those syllables follow an iambic pentameter structure. Iambic pentameter is a rhythm that has 5 pairs of 2 syllables each, and those syllables are unstressed, stressed. So when I'm saying unstressed, stressed, I'm talking about emphasis. Okay. So for example, when I say my name, Dakashna, there is an emphasis on the second syllable. That's a stress. So Dakash is actually an iamb. It would fit into iambic pentameter because it has 2 syllables, unstressed, stressed. So think about your name. Think about where you place the emphasis when you say it. So iambic pentameter actually means 10 syllables that alternate unstressed, stressed, unemphasized, emphasized syllables. Okay. That's the hardest part to accomplish with a sonnet. Don't go too crazy over it. Okay. But it should be 14 lines, 10 syllables per line. Okay. The rhyme scheme has to exist, but it can be flexible. You can either follow the octave sestet rhyme scheme that we see with a Petrarchan sonnet, or it can follow a quatrain couplet rhyme scheme that you see with a Shakespearean sonnet. Or it could be something different than that, but it needs to have a rhyme scheme. So, what are the requirements for a sonnet? One, it has to be 14 lines. Two, each line has to be 10 syllables of iambic pentameter. And three, there needs to be a rhyme scheme that is predictable and makes sense, octave and sestet or quatrain and couplet. Is that clearer? Okay, because it's important for you to be able to identify a sonnet and also because you're going to be writing a sonnet. Preview of coming attractions.